Hello everyone, my name is Rosan Alvarez. I'm 34 years old and I'm from Jesus the Great Light World Harvest Ministry. And as far as I remembered, I received the gift box when I was 9 or 12 years old. Basta nasa ganung range ng edad. And that was around 1999 or 2000. Matagal na. And the feeling that I received that gift was I'm very happy and excited kasi nga that was my first time to receive that kind of gift box na madaming laman. Kaya nung nabuksan ko siya, ako ay sobrang masaya. At the same time ay na-overwhelm talaga kasi nga yung mga items ay sobrang gaganda at saka mabango talaga siya as in. And then the most important lessons that I have received nung discipleship at that moment was the lesson about the love of Jesus Christ. Kasi that was the most, yung tumatak talaga na lesson sa akin kasi the love of Jesus Christ at the young age was very pure to me. And at the same time, it is the stepping stone of my faith kung bakit ako nakakilala sa Panginoon at ngayon ay masasabi ko talagang napagtagpi-tagpi talaga ng Lord yung buhay ko na mula dun sa gift box na yon ay nakilala ko siya at the same time ay ngayon ay ginagamit niya para sa napakalaking gawain ng Diyos. And ngayon, the ministry that I have in my church is that I am one of the primary leaders of our church. And also I am the coordinator of our children ministry, whether inside the church and also the missionals that we have. And also, I am an active youth leader of our church. That's why, masasabi ko talaga that from that shoebox, it became an open opportunity for me para mas makilala si Lord ng lubusan. At the same time, ay maibigay ko talaga sa Lord ang aking buhay. And to all the people behind the Samaritan ministry, this OCC gift box, I'm super blessed to your life kasi because of you, mula nung unang-unang panahon pa hanggang ngayon, ay marami talaga kayong naaabot na mga kabataan. Marami kayong mga nababagong mga buhay. At the same time ay nalilid ang mga buhay nila patungo sa Panginoon at nagagamit din ang mga buhay nila para makakilala sa Lord. And totoo yung sinabi sa Proverbs 22:6, that train up the child the way should go, so that when they grow old, they will not depart from it. Kasi ako yung buhay na patotoo no, na habang bata pa lang ay nakakilala sa Lord, pero nung as time goes by, kahit na napalayo, pero dadalhin ka pa rin patungo sa Panginoon basta ikaw ay nataniman ng salita ng Diyos. So, to God be the glory sa inyong buhay at patuloy tayong gamitin ng Lord for this ministry.